Oguya yakirwa bakirinjo ba Karamoja kandi bamukora n'emigenzo yabo bari kumwakira no kumushabiro kuba musinguzi kandi uruteranwe yakora na Kaperi Mall Trading Center om district ya Kotido. Lokil la Mongat kirinjo wamukora emigenzo yo kumwakira yamushaba nkora asinja kora nshonga ya mizi nebyo kwerinda. Nandara yagira Karamoja inobwiga bwo mwitaka bita abantu baye bari kusinga naboro nuko kubashaba kumwesiga bakamutora na karondere kizube cyo mbazi.
To deal with this issue called poverty. Akitaji Nixon. Why should Karamoja be the poorest in Uganda? Karamoja rangalanisa na Uganda. When it has all the buildings in Uganda. When it has the fertile soils in Uganda.
Anshonga yenguto mafabi yaraganiso kuzikoraho chwera abantu boko okutambuze mushuburo yabo.
Part of the taxes being stolen. And we blocked it. The taxes will come from 5 to 10%. Our small businesses are going to be given money.
Yaraganiso kutungura ebyo bwegese omwihanga ryo narukongera bashomese mshara no gukora nshonga y'ebyamagara.
The roads are terrible.
Yaraganisa ko abakuzire shirinje mtwaro mukaga buri kwezi no kaburi cyaro miliyoni igana buri mwaka zo kwetungura.
Because you also pensioner. I understand your life of people who have been arrested the youth.
Okushirira karuruko bwa president nikagumiza mu ihanga ryona. Ndi Anita Tukunda.